we always look forward to this time of year at Islands of Brilliance is Colors and Chords. And this year, it's going to be a little different. It's going to be virtual, and it's going to be on an island called Gratitude Island. Take a look. We are so excited. All you have to do is download the software for Mac or PC so you can join us in the game environment. Choose your character and explore Gratitude Island. How fun! On the island, there will be 4 stages, because just like every Colors and Chords, we join bands and artists working together. And we are so excited because we just had a chance to record the musicians at Turner Hall. Take a listen, they were great. Tickets are on sale now at Eventbrite. You are not going to want to miss this.